we already said that h prime is hz prime plus hfs prime. Okay, and in the previous video we found out the 8 wave functions. Okay, 8 wave functions: psi1, psi2, psi3, okay, psi4, psi5, psi6, psi7, psi8. Okay, these are the 8 wave functions. And now we want to construct our matrix. So for that, first we have the fine structure energy correction. We already studied the equation. The fine structure energy correction, EFS is equal to EFS1 is equal to En square divided by 2 mc square into 3 minus 4n divided by j plus half. Okay, so this is the fine structure energy correction. Here we choose n is equal to 2, and this EFS1 we get this fine structure energy by the expectation value of fine structure Hamiltonian, isn't it? So this is the meaning. EFS1 is the expectation value of HFS prime. Now n is equal to 2, so we can substitute the value n here 2. So we will get the answer E1 square divided by 2 into 16 into mc square divided by 3 minus 8 by j plus half. Okay, so here actually we will get E2. So E1 by n square, or E1 by n square is E2. E1 by 2 square is E2. So substituting this in here, we will get the answer EFS1, that is the fine structure energy is E1 square divided by 32 mc square into 3 minus 8 divided by j plus half. Okay, so E1 by mc square is what? Minus alpha square by 2. Okay, E1 by mc square is minus alpha square divided by 2. So substitute that in here. Here I am substituting. Okay, E1 by mc square I am substituting. So I get EFS1 is equal to minus E1 divided by 32 into alpha square divided by 2 into 3 minus 8 by j plus half. Okay, so the value of E1 I am substituting. It is 13.6 electron volt divided by 64 into alpha square into 3 minus 8 divided by j plus half. Now put alpha square divided by this term. Put this term as gamma. Then EFS1 is equal to gamma into 3 minus 8 into j plus half. Here there is a j plus half. Okay, here j plus half is the term. So we get EFS1. Okay, so this is the fine structure energy, or the fine structure energy, that is the eigenvalue of our matrix W. Okay, okay, and the first element, or the element in the matrix W, is a combination of fine structure Hamiltonian and Zeeman Hamiltonian. So the fine structure part is found out, which is gamma into 3 minus 8 divided by j plus half. Okay. Okay, now we want to substitute the value of j in the equation EFS1. So look at our wave function psi1. Okay, in that ket jm is ket half half. So j is equal to half there. Similarly, look at psi2. it is ket jm, that is ket 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. So psi 2 is also contained j is equal to half, psi 6 also contain j is equal to half, and psi 8 also contain j is equal to half. So in our matrix W, what these rows, that is first row, second row, sixth row and eighth row, and the corresponding to that elements, the corresponding fine structure part we are going to find out. Okay, so j is equal to half there. So what EFS 1 is equal to gamma into 3 minus 8, we are putting j is equal to half, we will get minus gamma 5, okay, or minus 5 gamma. So that is the fine structure energy. So if j is equal to 3 by 2, what? Look at wave function psi 3. Psi 3 is ket 3 by 2, 3 by 2. Okay. So total j is 3 by 2 there. Similarly, psi 3, psi 4, psi 5 and psi 7. They are all contains j is equal to 3 by 2. So the fine structure part corresponding to that elements, what? That is the elements in the W is gamma into 3 minus 8 divided by 3 by 2 plus half, that is in the place of j we are substituting 3 by 2. So we get minus gamma. So minus gamma and minus 5 gamma are the fine structure energy contribution of these 8 states or 8 degenerate case. We found out the fine structure contribution. Okay, now we want to find out the Zeeman contribution. So Zeeman contribution and fine structure contribution we are treating in equal basis. So we already found out for 8 wave functions the fine structure contribution. Okay, now we want to find the Zeeman contribution. So for that, so if you have any doubt, please refer the strong field Zeeman effect. So the Zeeman Hamiltonian is given by Hz prime is equal to E. So this is the Zeeman Hamiltonian, E by 2m into B external into Lz plus 2Sz. Okay, so our wave function psi 1, psi 2, psi 3, psi 4. Okay, these are the eigenstate of Lz and Sz because psi 1 is ket 1 by 2, 1 by 2, and psi 2 ket 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2, and psi 3 is 3 by 2, 3 by 2, and psi 4 is 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2. So these are the Z component of what? Orbital angular momentum and spin angular momentum. Other, that is psi 5, psi 6, psi 7, psi 8 are the linear combinations, isn't it? So these 4 are the Z component of Lz and Sz. So they are the eigenstate of these two operators. Okay, these two operators eigenvalue, eigenstates are psi 1, psi 2, psi 3 and psi 4. So what happened? If we are find out the expectation value of Hz prime, okay, we will get the expectation value of Hz prime is our energy, that is Ez1. Expectation value of Hz prime is Ez1. Okay, so we are going to find out that. So Eh cut divided by 2m into B external into ml plus 2ms. Okay, expectation of Hz here. Lz means it is ml. The corresponding quantum number is ml. So Z value of orbital angular momentum and the corresponding quantum number is ml, and for Sz it is ms. Okay, so Eh cut by 2m is mu b, substituting for that, and B external into ml plus 2ms in the next step. So this put mu b into B external as beta. Okay, then we will get expectation value of Hz prime is beta into ml 2ms we will get. Okay, so we get the general equation. and what we want to find the elements. So Hz prime 1 1, that is for psi 1, psi 2, psi 3, psi 4 are selecting. These are the eigenstates. So if I found out the expectation value of Hz prime 1 1, okay, which is the eigenvalue which will be diagonal. Okay, so this diagonal element will be the energy eigenvalue. So substituting beta into ml is 0 plus 2 into ms is 1 by 2. Okay, that is look at psi 1. Psi 1 is a combination of L, ml and sms. So which is ket 0 0 and ket 1 by 2 1 by 2. Here look, this is the L, ml, sms. So ml is 0. Similarly, ms is 1 by 2. So substituting that. Okay. So we substituted 0 and 1 by 2 here. We got beta. Similarly for 2 2, that is psi 2. Look at psi 2. Substitute for again for ml and ms. ml is 0, ms is minus 1 by 2. We got a minus beta. Similarly for 3 3. So that is expectation value of Hz prime with respect to psi 3. That is actually bra psi 3 h prime ket psi 3. That is the expectation value. That is we are meaning. So we are substituting for psi 3. So here ml is 1 and ms is 1 by 2. We got minus plus 2 beta. And here for psi 4, it is ml is minus 1 and ms is minus 1 by 2. We got minus 2 beta. So we got the Zeeman contribution. Okay, Zeeman contribution to first row, second row, third row and fourth row. We already found out the fine structure combination. So by adding these that is here for minus gamma, this is for psi 1, psi 2, psi 6, psi 8, EFS 1 is equal. So which is minus gamma 5, sorry. So which is minus gamma 5. So this minus gamma 5 plus beta, okay, minus gamma 5 plus beta will give you the E1. Okay, that is the energy eigenvalue corresponding to psi 1. Okay, this is the combination. So this is the fine structure energy part and this is the Zeeman energy part. Okay. Now this confirms the upper left corner of minus W. We already found out for psi 1, psi 2, psi 3 and psi 4. So the 4 eigenvalues of the W matrix are found out. Now, okay, we want to find out the remaining eigenvalues. So for that, okay, the remaining wave function is psi 5. Okay, so which is Lz plus 2Sz. So here is a constant. This is the Hamiltonian's part. Okay, a constant into this operators, combination of this operators are. So Lz plus 2Sz is acting on psi 5. So look at the wave function psi 5, which is given by what Lz plus 2Sz is acting on root 2 by 3 ket 1 0 into ket 1 by 2 1 by 2 plus root 1 by 3 into LZ plus 2 SZ is acting on Ket 1 1 into Ket 1 by 2 1 by 2. Okay. So the value of Ket psi 5 is this. It is a linear combination of this one. Look at your psi 5 and what it is going to operate. So when LZ is acting on this state first. So M H cut is the eigenvalue. When operator LZ acting on a state, we will get M into H cut. LZ acting on LML. Okay. So we will get the root 2 by 3 is the constant there. So H cut into, here M is, this is LML, isn't it? So first one